Hi guys, Jamie here. I hope you're well. We're going to make the most delicious, super healthy, colourful fish taco recipe. Fish, loads of veggies in there, 3 of your 5 fruit and veg a day in one meal. Full of colour. And also it kind of feels naughty. It's that kind of street food vibe. And to make this dish even easier, we're going to use my Jamie Oliver by Tefal pans. This is the everyday hard anodised range. It's absolutely beautiful. They're super smart, ultra-resistant titanium non-stick coating, which is perfect for cooking delicate things like crispy skinned fish. Amazing. Plus, we've got the thermospot technology, which I just love because it lets you know when the pan has reached the optimum cooking temperature. These pans also have fantastic silicone handles, which stay nice and cool even when the pan is hot. So, first things first, let's make the tacos. We're using gorgeous wholemeal flour, 100 grams, a little pinch of salt, and then just add a little water until you get a dough. That's going to make 4 perfectly gorgeous tacos. The next bit's really, really exciting, salsa. 4 spring onions, the green part, and then kiwi, which I love. It's got that lovely acidity. I want to get some heat going on. Skin side down, we're going to char this. That's controlled burning, that is. Who would have thought I'd be telling you to do that? And the brilliant thing about the Tefal non-stick coating is, in my opinion, it's the best. It's the best because you can char, you can do that, and then you just wipe it clean. Happy days. That is ready to go straight in a liquidizer. Go in with coriander, lime, blitz it up. 45 seconds is more than enough. Come on! Season it intelligently. Smoked chipotle Tabasco goes in, a little touch of oil. Give it a little blend. Right, we're good to go. So, let's get on the tacos. Roll out a couple of these little doughs, and then we go into a dry pan. And these are great pans, right? Non-stick, so we don't need oil in there. Super, super healthy. 35 seconds, fantastic. Now let's get on with the filling. Cut this fish fillet in half, olive oil, salt and pepper. And I'm gonna go skin side down into the pan. Chop the white part of the spring onions. Red and yellow pepper. I'm almost wok frying, in this pan, which is quite interesting. I'm just charring, the peppers, the onions. If I just shake the pan, you'll see how the fish, it's never gonna stick to that pan. The non-stick is just too good. Amazing. Let's begin the story. Let's take gorgeous red cabbage, coriander, our veg. It's so simple, so delicious. Look how juicy that fish is, and look how crispy skinned that is. Amazing salsa. Fresh, healthy, delicious fish tacos with a little bit of help from our friends at Tefal. Happy cooking, enjoy.